Hey guys, welcome back for another video. I bought these Bose QC35 second generation around 2018, I think 4 or 5 years ago. They are still working fine on every flight, every trip. I take them for taking calls during the flight. They're really good. Their noise cancellation, voice quality, even the mic is really good. So I use them all the time. And as you can see in this midnight blue color, they look really nice and everything looks perfectly fine except these ear cups. As you can see, they have started to deteriorate. It was kind of a leather material and it is now whenever I'm wearing it is leaving some residue like those black as you can see, it has also I have dropped some hair too, so it is leaving a lot of this residue on my ear whenever I'm using them. So I looked online and I could have bought the original ear cups from Bose, but I wanted to get something different. I also have my Apple AirPods Max and I truly love them, and their ear cups is a fabric material which is really good for longer term when you're wearing them on flight or something. It works out really well and your ears doesn't get like too much of sweat, so that is why I ordered something like this. Let me quickly open this up and show you the contents. So these are the ear cups. They are like a cloth material, like a fabric, and it has a memory foam inside. So hopefully they will be better. I'm gonna use them for some time, but for now, let me quickly show you why I got those. So first reason was that it comes with memory foam, and as you know, memory foam is really good for wearing your earphones or headphones for a very long time. So one reason was memory foam. Other one was this graphic. As you can see, it comes in really cool graphic, and I'll show you when I put it on my Bose QC35s how it looks, but this graphic looks good. And third reason is this material. The material, as in the close-up you can see, it's like a cloth material, like a fabric. Hopefully it will be better compared to leather material that comes with original ear cups. And it comes with its left and right marking that you can put inside, and it comes with the booklet. So they are dedicated for Bose QC35s, but I'm sure they would come for other headphones too, and they have given you instructions how you need to remove the older ones and put this one, and it comes with this tool to take it out. So let me quickly do that and also show you how it looks. Okay, I just pulled it out. Oh, there is some dirt inside. Okay, I think I should not pull this out because it looks good. I just need to clean it up. All those black particles have gone inside, all that residue. On Apple's AirPod Max, it's really easy, but not that easy, but not that bad too. So I cleaned up everything. Alright, I can put these inside like this, right? And I can put the AirPads here. So you just need to push it inside from the edges and it should go in, hopefully. Yep, I think only this side is remaining. Let me do that. Why is it not going in? I am trying. So this is how it looks from the outside. It is really beautiful looking, to be honest. And inside you can see that blue colored left and right ear pads. The memory foam feels good. The feeling is really better, I would say, compared to this leather one. It is slightly better. The leather, as you saw, leaves a lot of residue, a lot of those particles after a few years, but with this one it will either break, but it won't do that. So with that, I just wanted to cover the issues with the original leather AirPads that comes with Bose QC35 second generation, but also wanted to show you an alternative. I'll do a detailed review after using this AirPads for some longer time. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and definitely see you in the next one.